Hi guys, right now I am going to show you how you would be adding different information to your control panel as well as managing your entire account. So the first thing comes here is like you go to account, profile information. Here you can edit your profile, your social informations like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google Plus. These details you can put in, and you can also select a header image. The header image is actually the image that comes on in front of the website. So let's take a look at your website, what it comes. It's Demo Institute. This is your website. Now this is the header image. This is the brand logo that we have set up earlier in earlier video, and these are the four control panels: one for the admin, one for the web admin, another one for the student, and another one for the candidates or applicants in the courses. So these are the control panels. Here let's scroll down. These are the list of programs that would be showing in. If you have any scholarship or entrance exams, you would be seeing it here. If any term end exams are coming up, this list you can show it up here. And this is the section where you can add contents, and this has to be done from admin control panel. Here you have the web content. You add a category, and under the category you add a article, and these articles and categories, it would be appearing over here. And finally we have some announcements. These announcements you can also add it from here, web announcements, and they would be coming up there. So you can add any announcement and set up a date to it, start date and end date to it, and it would be showing up there. And this is how you would be doing it. If the announcement you want it to be an external link, you can set it no or yes. You can add the external URL, the content of it, if it's not an external URL, when it would be published, and like when the publish would be ending, and if it is published or not, you select yes if you want to publish it, and then simply save the record. And next time anyone visits your website, they would be able to see the announcement on the website itself. Now there's another section, that is the send message. If any candidate or anyone wants to send a message to you, you can just select it from here. Okay, so let's get back to the admin control panel. Okay, so first what you need to do is you need to add the programs and courses to it. So before that, you need to add the grade group. Let's add a grade group. Here let's mark it as default. Nothing more to add, just save the record. Then you go to grade, add the grade, select the grade group. It's default, I have selected, and next. Then you can add multiple grade groups from here, like you add a plus, and then percentage of marks you add 90%. So 90% and above would be getting A plus, or if you want to do it 85, you can do it yourself. Okay, so this is how you add the grades to it. Then you need to add programs. Okay, so there you have program category and program types. So let's add program type first. So let's mark it as like program types may be like diploma courses or academic courses or graduation or masters. Okay, so let's add or let's say bachelor's course, save record. So I have added a program type. Now program category, let's add it. We have a category over here. Let's say it's information technology. And if you want to add a parent category, means if you are adding multiple categories, one you can add it as a parent category. So I'm not going to enter anything else. You can add a short introduction or a description to it. Save record. So what you have here is you have a program category. So what I have done is I've added grade group, then added a grade, then I added program type, then I added program category. Now I can add a program. Add the record. So let's say BCA. Okay, now let me select the program category. It's information technology. Program type is bachelor course, and duration it would be 3 years, so it would be like 1095 days. Extended, let's extend it to another 365 days. Additional 1 year period if someone wants to extend the period. So evaluation period, it would be like semesters. Every 6 months you would be having a semester. So number of evaluations would be 6, and this is the grade group default. You can add a minimum age and a maximum age. So minimum age would be around 18 and maximum age, let's say put it to 60. Program enabled, yes. Save. So I have added a program to it also, and now you can add different courses to it. Okay, so here are the courses, then you can add different exams to these courses, and then you can just allocate these programs to these means these courses to the programs. Okay, so let me add a few courses here. Add record. You enter a course code, course name, total marks, pass marks, how many points there would be. Like this, you complete it, and you would be having a full-fledged courses and program ready at your hand where the students can enroll. Okay, so I have already added a few courses here. So the next part is adding exams to these courses. Now let's check out how the things work like. Now for every program there are multiple courses, and each course can have multiple exams. Now let's set up some exams for this one, the first very one. So course exam, here you see total marks is 100, pass marks is 50, total points is 3. So let's add it over here. Now you see exam, you enter the exam code, exam name, exam type you select, these are given: written exam, viva, online, group discussion, assignment, practical and project. Total marks, pass marks, and pass required, so this one will always be yes. So this is how you add different exams to it. Now there's something I would like to tell you, that is, let's get back to the courses. You see here, I'm adding the total marks over here, pass marks here, total points here. Now this very part is interesting. Compulsory attendance, it's selected as no, and you can also make it yes if you want students to attend the classes compulsorily, so you need to select it yes. And total classes 30, minimum attendance count 20. Now what is actually this one? Now for say a student who hasn't attended the classes, like minimum attendance count is less than 20, so for that very student, and if the compulsory attendance is set to yes, then he won't be able to apply for the exams of this course. So this is how you select whether it's a compulsory attendance or not. Okay, so we have done grades, we have done program types, program categories, programs, courses, course exams, and you can also do allocation of programs to the courses. Okay, you can select a program ID here, it's BCA. Now you see here it's showing evaluation period 1, that means semester 1 till semester 6 you have, and add record. You can select a course from here. Let's say we add English. Save record. Now this very course is added to this very program for semester 1. You can now add multiple courses to semester 1, then go to semester 2, and let's say add another record here. So I have added accountancy. So what will happen is for semester 1 I've added only one course, and this is English, and semester 2 I have added accountancy. Now multiple courses you keep on adding on for each and every semester, and the allocation of programs and courses, it becomes complete for the selected program. Okay, so in the next video we would be discussing further. So thanks for watching guys, have a nice day.